Alright guys, so in this particular video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a particular website I've been using, an automation tool I've been using with my WhatsApp that has allowed me to double, triple, and even quadruple my sales. And the best part is that it makes it quite easy for me because it is an automation kind of thing. And here are some of the features I enjoy with this automation. It helps me auto save my contact, that is no more pain and stress manually saving contacts. It does it for me automatically. Also, it has this autoresponder that is just like your email autoresponder. Now you can set message to get out of to your leads or customer at a certain day or and time. And you can even set it that they should get a particular message after a number of days they got to your DM. Yeah, you can use this to follow up to your prospects in an automated way, and that's one of the things that has helped me to increase my sales. Also, there is this feature of broadcast WhatsApp message, even to contacts you have not saved. Yeah, you don't have to save those contacts, they don't have to save yours, and you can send broadcasts to them with this automation tool I am talking about. And another interesting part is that there is this thing called chatbot on this particular automation settings, whereby you can set trigger words and the corresponding replies. Something like when someone send I, or let me say when someone send thank you to you, this you can set the trigger word of thank you and then you put a reply. So my reply could be welcome, you are welcome. So it will automatically reply with you are welcome. What does that mean? Easy life, stress-free life. That's one of the enjoyment of this particular automation. Also, not only that, guys, you can also broadcast to lists and groups. Just like it helps you to create a broadcast list that you can message with just a button click. And each contact is messaged individually. If you are sending it to a list and maybe your list of leads you generated in a particular month, they will all get the message individually. Or maybe you are sending a broadcast to groups. Let's say you have about 5 groups where you are holding training. They will also all get the message on the group. And it doesn't even end there. The features of this particular automation goes very crazy, and that's why it has been able to help me triple, quadruple my sales. Also, you can automate to list and group. Let's say you want a message to be sent to, let's say you held a webinar or something like that, and you want a follow up to be sent to all the people that attended at a particular time, let's say 30 minutes after your webinar or after your class. Then you can set this with this tool I'm talking about. And you could even set it to send it to groups. Let's say you have a group where you held a class and then you want to send a follow up to them, maybe at an interval. This will help you do it. And guys, guess what? It still doesn't end there. You can use this tool to create forms and landing page. Let's say you want to receive customer details directly with forms. That is, let's say you are running ad, you can use this tool to create forms and landing page that you can run your ad straight to, and people will be able to fill in their details and it will automatically even save their number. Guess what? It is even easy to use and you don't have to install anything. And even a 5-year-old person can find his way around this particular platform. It doesn't require any technical issue. And this tool is a cloud based. That is, you are not going to be using anything. You are not going to go through the pain of installing anything or connecting anything. It's quite easy and straightforward. Guess what? For me personally, what I enjoyed the most about this particular platform and which I feel everyone should be happy about is the fact that they have an active support group or support. That is, they know it is very important for you to get quality support always. That's why they set up a dedicated support team on WhatsApp that runs 247 to attend to your to attend to you every time of the day and even during the day and night. So whereby maybe you have one little issue or anything, the support is always active. Even in the midnight when you contact the support, they are always there to help. And that's something really, because for me personally, when I'm dealing with platform, I like it when they have active support group or support that I can contact. And to cap it all as well, the pricing is very sweet. Let me put it like that, because they have a good pricing system and it is not really it is affordable for everyone, and it will, compared to the return you get. So now you might be wondering, I know you have a couple of questions that will be running through your mind, and let me quickly answer some of them, and I'm sure I'm guessing right because you will have these few questions going on in your mind. Actually, I'll put the link to this particular platform in the description of this video. It will be the first link, and guess what? You are getting a free trial once you use my link in the description below. It will offer you a 3 days free trial just for you to test out the platform, and if it works fine for you, you can continue to renew your subscription. It's actually affordable. So let's get into the frequently asked question. The thing is that, can you use this particular tool on all device? Yes, so you don't have to connect anything. All you need to do is have a WhatsApp that you want to use, and then your camera should be working so that you can scan the QR code. It automatically connects. You don't have to install anything. Also, another thing that I do get is that with this thing endanger my WhatsApp, WhatsApp ban of a thing and everything. Well, let me tell you, there's one feature on this platform. Let's say you are broadcasting message to 1,000 people. There's a feature on this platform that allows you to pause automatically. It does it automatically. Let's say you want to send 1,000 message. You could set it that you should be sending it at 20 or 50 intervals. So after 50, it should wait for a few seconds. This will not let WhatsApp ban you, because imagine sending 1,000 message at a time. That's kind of trigger. It will trigger the WhatsApp system and you could get a ban. But this tool is already sorting it out for you. And you might be wondering, is it actually legal? Yeah, this automation uses this method. Using this method is legal because it is a browser automation that uses a legitimate tool created by WhatsApp itself. There is also called WhatsApp API, so it is legal. And then how can you, let's say you're already on WhatsApp before, and how can you bring your leads to WhatsApp so that you can start using this tool? How can you bring your leads to this particular tool? It's simple. They have a method where you could import all your existing contacts, and then you can start doing all this automation of broadcasting or anything. So another thing is that what is the minimum amount of, or let's say the number of contacts you could have? Well, depending on the plan you are going for, it could be as low as 500 messages that you can send, or 500 contacts, to unlimited, depending on the plan that works for you. So, like the question I answered earlier, is there a good support? I know that's something most people will be concerned about. Yeah, there is a 24/7 support, a chat support that is always there to ensure you are 100% satisfied. So I'll put a link in the description of this video. There's a link to sign up on this particular website. And guess what? Like I said, even a 5-year-old person could find his way around this particular platform, because they've recorded tutorial videos, straight to the point tutorial videos on the platform, where you could get to learn about the platform and how to go about it. So the link will be in the description of this video, and you can use it to get a free 3-day trial on this particular platform. So I want you to go ahead and test it out. If you're actually a WhatsApp marketer, you'll find this really helpful, and it will boost your sales just as it has did for mine and so many other people. Alright guys, so if you actually enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another exciting videos like this. Because right here on this channel, all I do is I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities that could make you money or earn you more extra income, and then I come right here on my channel to share it with you. If that sounds like something interesting, please do well to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Also, I have a community, WhatsApp community, where I drop more updates. The link will also be in the description of this video. And that's it. See you on the next one. Cheers.